Hey y'all, your girl Shay is back with part 2 of Daytona Bike Week 2023. If you have missed part 1, go ahead and catch up right now because we about to go ahead and dip into part 2. Let's ride. So today we're meeting up with the bros. We about to go to the flea market, see what they have, and you know, just kind of go with the flow. Let me show y'all the fit check. Fit check. So you know, we out here about to do what it do. No, I'm not riding with the hat on. I'm about to go ahead and put my bucket hat on. But I just wanted to show y'all the aesthetics real quick. But yeah, we're going to the flea market to meet up with the bros, and then we about to just get into it. So y'all enjoy the ride. All right, so yeah, this how we gonna be rolling, y'all, because I ain't got time to be. Even though Florida is a no helmet state, if I'm going further than like 5 minutes, I'm wearing my damn helmet. Dang, so I'm guessing all 3 of these houses are Airbnbs because it's nothing but bikers right here. I mean, they might live there, but I mean, all I see is trailers. So I think all 3 of these houses are Airbnb. Like, this is the perfect spot to have an Airbnb. Literally, like, they are making business out here. Hey y'all, let's go ahead and get into part 2 of Daytona Bike Week. If you missed part 1, go ahead and check it out now. But let's go ahead and get into it. So like I said, first stop, we're going to the flea market. This is like a swap meet where vendors set up things that they have and they go ahead and sell them. This is the front entrance area where they have like hand carved furniture and things like that. Yeah. Okay.
$10 a head. Good for the rest of the weekend.
Y'all got Cash App? Y'all don't got cash? Y'all, I have the worst habit of not carrying cash, but we ended up getting some cash and now we're in. They had a bunch of bike parts out here, like anything you can think of, exhaust, seats, fenders, like all of it. It was so hot outside, y'all. We ended up taking a seat under some shade, and we ended up catching these guys right here doing stunts for us. All right, y'all. So me and the family out here. This is Teapot. Say hi. And we ended up getting some shrimp, some beer batter shrimp. We're out here at the flea market. You want to say bye? Say let's ride. Yes. And here goes a picture with my bro Spoons. K9 Winter Park. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and hit Main Street. We just left the flea market. Got some really good shrimp. It was fire. So now we're about to go ahead and hit Main Street. Alright, I want y'all to pay attention to this white SUV coming up on the right. Was not slowing down for your girl. Just kept merging into my lane. Yeah, your girl almost got hit once again. There's hella bikes out here, y'all. Literally. So we are here. Here is Main Street, y'all. Like I said, it took us forever to find parking. The person I was with, her bike ended up overheating, so it was leaking coolant. Yeah, I was about to call it quits, y'all, but this one guy ended up walking up and saving the day. He said, hey, turn here. There's a church and there's parking right there, and he parked there every year, and it's only $5 per bike. So thank you so much. There was also an Indian setup out there, so I decided to go ahead and check it out for y'all. So after Main Street, we decided to head up Bethune-Cookman. So we are here. You can definitely see that there's a lot more activity going on this night. This is Friday night compared to Thursday. So if you haven't seen part 1, you will definitely tell the difference. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm super excited because I ran into somebody that I know that's currently rolling with Road Dogs. So it's definitely good seeing them, catching up with them in a whole different state. Shortly after that, somebody else recognized me, so it's definitely good seeing you out there, and thank you for speaking. So here we are walking the strip, and guess what caught my attention immediately? Look at this cute dog, y'all. It's a Cane Corso. I would love to take him home with me, but I already have a Cane Corso here with me. Then I ended up running into my uncle. He's currently with Final Destination MC. That's pretty much it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed Daytona Part 2. If you have not seen Part 1, go ahead and check it out. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time, you guys, let's ride. Hey fam, Shay on Tues is sponsored by Black Hog Nation. They have everything from accessories, headgears, jackets, hoodies, and tees. Any color combination you think of, Black Hog Nation have you covered. Be sure to follow the Facebook and Instagram account for the latest updates. All links are listed below, and if you want to order, make sure you order through my link. Come on and join this movement, Black Hog Nation, baby. Let's ride.